Boom! Right here. This is the MOTOPOWER MP69033. This is an OBD2 sensor scanner. This one right here will scan your carport for cars that is 1996 and newer. All you gotta do is you plug this into your OBD2 port. Plug this thing into your OBD2 port and you can read the error code, the user manual. Boom! Boom! This is the unit right here. Super easy. You got the cord right here and this is what connects to your OBD2 port. All you gotta do is connect it and this thing will be able to power on. It's powered by the port, so you don't even need to worry about batteries. The cool thing is this thing will read all the error codes and let you know what the error codes, so you can either fix your car by yourself if you know how to, or you can let your mechanic know what's wrong so they can help you fix your car. The cool thing about this is that it has the ability to check the monitor, which is very important because in case you reset your car's engine check light, or if you lose power in your car because you have a dead battery and you need to do a smog check, this thing will let you know when all your monitors are clear. That way you can actually go and get the smog check. Just because you clear your check engine light doesn't mean that it will pass the smog check. You have to clear your check engine light. You also have to make sure that it passes all the monitor checks, and this thing will let you know when all the monitors are checked. Very important to avoid going to the smog check center because you can check right here with this scanner to make sure that all your monitors are clear before you go to the smog check center. And those are the ways that you can use the OBD2 sensors right here. That's how I use the OBD2 scanner right here from MOTOPOWER. Oh yeah.